Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Blanca here with Creativities Galore, and today we are making a Christmas shaker card. We'll start by opening up our parchment paper and putting our Laura Kelly toner sheet and her foil as well. We're going to put the foil on top, shiny side up. Then we close the parchment sheet and we put it through our laminating machine. Once that's done, we take it out, open up the parchment paper, and then we will reveal our toner sheet by peeling off that foil paper. Or foil sheet. There it is. How pretty is that? Next we'll need to grab our card. Mine was a 5.5 by 5.5, but the toner sheet is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to need to trim off these edges right here. And I'm going to do that by just using my Cricut paper trimmer and trimming off a little bit from two sides. Now I go back and it's the perfect size. Now I'm just going to use my thermal web tape runner to tape them both together. I'm going to take another piece of cardstock that is 1/2 inch smaller from all the sides. This is going to be our frame for the shaker card. So now from that square piece we'll need to mark off 1/2 inch also from all the sides. And marking it off with just a pencil. And now I'm just going to take my crafting knife and cut out the center square. This will leave us with the frame for the shaker card. Now for my window part, I just used a laminating sheet that I ran through my laminating machine, and that worked perfect. If you don't have that, you can also just use a clear crafting sheet. All that stuff will be listed in the description below. And I'm using that tape runner again to tape down the window to the frame. Now I'm going to take this foam tape that I found at Dollar Tree, and they have a 1/2 inch size in that pack, which worked out perfect for this frame. I just need to put that foam all the way around the frame. All done. Now I'm going to put that to the side and move on to decorating the card. I'm using the Laura Kelly for Thermal Web stamp set. This is the Me and My Peeps. I used it for this little house and I just got color pencils to color it in. I also used my Cricut Joy to cut out a little Christmas tree to add next to the house. just trying to see where it'll position well before I actually tape them down. That looks like a good spot. And I'm just going to take my thermal web tape runner and add a little bit to the back of each decorative piece. Have you guys done any shaker cards before? If you have, let me know in the comments below. Or will this be the first one you try to make, like it was for me? Once I figured out the position, now I'm just gonna tape them down to the card. And that's all I'm gonna be adding to the inside of the frame. Now we're gonna fill our frame, but first I need to position it. This is the way I did it. You can also put some of the glass lip beads that I'm going to use. You could probably also just put those on top, but this is the route that I went. So I put down the frame, position the card on top, remove the card, and now I'm going to fill it with the glass lip beads from Fairfield World. Now I did add too much. I later on took off a little bit, so just like keep that in mind. And then I'm just taking off the little paper piece on the foam so that I'm able to put down my card on top of it and it'll be sealed. Make sure to press down firmly to ensure that all the edges are on there correctly and none of your glass lip beads fall out. And there we go. Now I thought my frame was too plain, so I just took some markers and added a little decorative piece to the top, some little Christmas lights. I still felt that the front needed something, so I got that Me and My Pink stamp set again, and I took the I love you phrase, and then I'm gonna stamp that onto some cardstock. Then I'm just going to take scissors and cut the phrase out. And here I'm trying to see where I'm going to put it. I ended up putting it on the inner part of the frame. I just took some more of that tape runner and added it to the corners only. And placed it back on the card. And now we're done. I love how it turned out. I hope it inspires you to create your own. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy crafting!